quantity box. Okay. Now I will arrange the quantities. Okay, next I will arrange the numbers and randomly on the map. See here children, these are numbers. Okay. Say count the quantities. This is 1. Where is that 1? Okay, don't take. Yeah, this is 1. Okay. Next 1, 2. Don't put here. 2 here. 2. Don't come friend. Next 1, 2, 3. Go back. 3. Okay, go back. Don't come. Sit properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't come, friend. You can sit in your place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This is a 1, 1. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2,